So I just wanna share my experience shopping for tires at Costco versus Canadian Tire. I had a set of four Michelin CrossClimate II tires installed at Canadian Tire, and on paper I would have saved money at Costco, but when I did the math, I actually saved a lot of not a lot of money, but a lot of time at Canadian Tire. So here's the math. Costco with the after tax code I have of 1342 plus disposal fee. I would have been paying 1368, but they don't do alignment, so I have to pay for that $150, total of 1518. I would also receive an instant rebate of $100, and if I had their credit card, that's about $31 back to me. So total for me would be $1387. If since I did my purchase at Costco, they had all these other fees, tires of 1026, warranty at Canadian Tire is not free, it's $80. In Costco it's free. Disposal is the same, $26, and then they also have store supplies which they charge for $25. They do their own alignment there, so I was able to put that in as well, plus labor, so that's about $255, slightly more expensive than Costco. But then I was able to also, because I have a Canadian Tire MasterCard, I'm also a Select member. I was able to take advantage of the offers on the app. I was able to first pay part of the fee using my points, which is $33, and I also get back $167 in total. So roughly, I came out to $1382. I save about $5 at Canadian Tire, but the big difference is the amount of time at Costco. If you would be buying your tire at Costco, here's a time frame that I would have done. If I walked in at Costco on November 29, I was advised to put in an order online to get the rebate, and also they don't have stock in their warehouse, right? So it's a 3 to 4 week shipping period. In December it's busy, so I'll get my tires in the warehouse on December 27 ETA, and then January 3 I can get that scheduled to be installed. It's a 1 to 2 week period, and then January, if I need to have my car alignment done, January 6th when I had that done. Costco will take about 5 to 6 weeks for the whole thing to get done. Canadian Tire did the exact same thing. Went to Canadian Tire on November 29. This is the code I was given, 1582. I pulled the trigger, scheduled for December 2, and had everything done. Tires installed and aligned. So big savings in time. So not so much in money, but a lot in time. So there you go. There's my experience. If I had to do this again, I'm gonna go back to Canadian Tire next time around.